Hi Monigo, so in this section I'm just going to go over your blog and how you can manage it and add new posts. So there's two ways you can do that. Either you can go on the left hand side and just click on my blog and it will give you those options there, such as add a new blog post or manage your blog, or you can just click on the pages and go down to the page that says blog, and then once you're there you can just click on one of the blog posts, and when you click on it, it says manage posts, add new post. So I'll show you how you can add a new post. You just click add new post here and it loads up the editor for you. And then you can write out your blog post directly in here, or you can write it in Word or a text editor and then paste it in here. So you can say something like benefits of shea oil for hair. And then you can have your entire blog post, have your title here, shea oil, this is just making something random for hair. You can change your date according to when you want to post it. You can put in your author name. Right now there's no author name on there. Okay, and then on top of here you can see different features. You can add an image. So wherever the cursor is, that's where the image will be. So I'll move the cursor down. And then you can just choose an image. So let's say I clicked on this shea oil and then apply, and then that image would come there. Then what you can do is decrease the size of it if it's too big. So right now the size is large. So if I click that L, it shows me the different sizes. So let's say I want size medium, and so there's the medium size. And then let's say I want it shifted to the left. That's what these three buttons are. Right now it's centered. I can have it move to the left, and then I can start typing my blog post underneath it, or I can shift it up however I want it. You can also add a link to it and have this open to another page, or have it open to a document, whatever you'd like. Okay, and then as well you can also, I'm going to delete that, you can also add a gallery, so a bunch of different images, and here you'd add the images yourself. So I'm just going to choose them quickly. So here's 4 images, click apply, and those 4 images will show up, and click done, and then that will be your gallery, and then you can write. Sometimes you'll see in blog posts they'll have like 5-6 pictures, and then they'll have like descriptions of each of the pictures. So that's something you can do as well. So if I want to, as with anything else, you can also adjust the features in here. Right now it's 3 columns. You can make it 4 columns, 5, 6, however you'd like it. And then of course you can change the spacing as well. So I'm going to delete this. And then you were asking about the video, so very simple. You just click video and you'd add your video there. Just add, change your link. Click here to change your link, and then you can search for videos as well. And again, you can change the size of it to large, small, medium. So delete that. Okay, it also gives you the option of putting HTML. You don't need to worry about this so much. That's basically if you wanted some other function in your blog post. Let's say you wanted like a calculator in there, or calendar, or whatever, but you'd have to create code for that. You can find that online, or get a web coder, and then you can insert that code there. You can have a form directly in your blog post. Again, that would be, you'd have to develop the code for it. You can find programs for that online, but that's going too advanced. I think just for the basics of the blog, you'd just mainly be looking at images and videos. And then once you have that, so let's just stick a video in. Once you have that, then all you do, you can save the draft, you can preview it, you can schedule it, you can write a draft earlier and then have it scheduled to post a week from that date. And you can also make it a featured post. Featured posts show up on the right side of your blog in the announcements area. So now I'm going to publish it. It says your post is published, and you can also share it on Facebook or Twitter to let people know that you've posted. So I'm going to say maybe later, and there it is. That's where it appears. I think you were, maybe this is an old one, that was June 14. Okay, and then if you wanted to delete it, you can delete it here. This I means you can preview it. You can also duplicate it and then just change the content of it, or you can edit it all together. If you wanted to just delete it, just click it like that, the side, and here it'll give you the options to make it a featured post, or just to trash it, or to apply categories to it. Right now you don't have any categories, so one category could be, let's say, hair or skin or shea oil. So basically when someone searched for that category, all the blog posts related to that will show up. We don't have any categories right now, so I'm just going to delete it now. Let's just say trash. Go to trash. Okay, and then it shows you on the left side all the posts you have. These are the 3 posts that are published, and you can see by the green that they're published. The green light, this is the one that's featured. A little butter goes a long way, and all you need to do is click on the star to make it featured, and unclick the star to remove it from the featured posts. Click it again. You have 1 draft. You don't have any scheduled. Let's look at more. That's something in the trash. You can add your categories, and then tags. Tags are basically keywords that you can attach to a post. So again, you can attach, so let's say for shea oil, you could attach shea oil, butter, no, not butter, sorry, hair, skin, dry skin. All of those could be tags that you could attach to it. And the purpose of tags is basically that when someone searches with those keywords in your on your website, that's what will pop up, that particular post. And as well in Google, if someone's searching for those particular things, then your post will pop up for that once it's been optimized. So that's basically it for creating a blog post. It's a very simple process. The layout and design has already been done for you. This is where your featured post shows up on the right side, and your most recent posts will show up as well. And then people can choose to follow you, your social bars down here. So that's basically it for blogs. Nothing very major or difficult with that. In the next tutorial, I'm going to go over Wix stores and how you can manage your store. So I'll stop there for now.